to remove someone from photo on the Google Pixel 10 Pro, just start by opening Google Photos. Now pick up your photo and click on the edit button. Right now go into the actions, go for the magic eraser and wait a little bit for the post-processing. And now you can tap, circle or brush. You can try to simply tap on someone and you should get this automatic selection. So now all you have to do is just to click erase, but you can also refine selection if you want. Like that, for example, you can draw or tap like so. But in my case, I'm just gonna go back into the previous one. There we go. You have to click done and now select erase. You have to wait for a few seconds and after that you will get your result. You can also make some changes. So if you've got some kind of the signs that there was someone here, you can still select some area like this and simply erase to boost view. And now as you can see, yeah, just wait a little bit. Now it's finished and you have to click in the right bottom corner to confirm, and then you will have to save copy of the photo by clicking on the right upper corner.